I lost a lot of money. I had absolutely no idea what I was doing, and it cost me dearly. And when I had to rebuild, all I had was a small, consistent amount each month. So, what would I do if I were starting over today with just a little bit of money? I'm going to give you the exact blueprint. This isn't about finding the next monster stock that's going to make you rich overnight. Forget that. This video is about building real, sustainable wealth step by step. This isn't boring textbook theory. This is a real-world cheat code. We're going to dodge fees like they're laser beams and build a fortress of stocks, one brick at a time. Forget everything you think you know about investing. This is the only guide you'll need. Section 1. The Why. The 2 ways you build wealth through stocks. But before we get to the how, we have to talk about the why. Why is $100 a month so insanely powerful? You only make money from stocks in 2 ways. The first way is simple. The price goes up. Imagine you buy a rare trading card for $20. A year later, everyone wants it, and now it's worth $30. You did literally nothing, and you made money. That's a stock going up. The second way, and this is where it gets crazy, is dividends. This is like the company paying you a bonus just for being on their team. They're literally handing you a piece of their profits. But when you take that bonus money to buy even more stock, that's when you unlock the ultimate cheat code, compounding. It's like planting a money tree. At first, you get 1 apple. You plant that apple seeds, and now you have 2 trees, then 4, then a whole orchard. I'm telling you, it's slow at first, but give it time, and it becomes an unstoppable financial tsunami, making you money even while you're asleep. Section 2. Your biggest enemy, the silent killer. When you're starting with small amounts, your number 1 enemy, the final boss you have to defeat, is fees. I call them the silent portfolio assassins. A lot of platforms will charge you a fee every single time you buy or sell a stock. Think about that. You put in $100 and bam, they snatch $5. You just lost 5% of your army before the battle even started. It's like trying to fill a bucket that has a giant hole in the bottom. Your investment has to climb 5% just to get you back to where you started. We are not going to let that happen. Section 3. The How, my simple 4-step monthly blueprint. So this brings me to my insane 4-step plan. What I'd literally do with my $100 every single month. Step 1. Pick your arena. First, you need a place to battle, your brokerage account. And here's the golden rule. Keep your costs as close to 0 as possible. Look for platforms that offer commission-free trading or free investing in index funds. Hidden fees are your biggest enemy, especially when starting small. If you're paying just to buy or sell, your money is already losing the fight. Choose wisely. Step 2. Pick one champion. This is the core of the entire strategy. The legendary investor Warren Buffett basically said it's better to own a piece of a diamond than a whole rock. So every single month, I take my entire $100 and buy into one single powerhouse company. I'm talking about a business that's a household name, a titan of its industry. By putting all $100 on one, we only make one move. That's how we keep the fee monster locked in its cage. Step 3. Spread it out over time. Now you're probably screaming, isn't putting all my money in one stock crazy risky? And yes, it is, for 1 month. But that's why next month, you take your new $100 and you draft a player for a different team. You're building a collection of superheroes. For example, month 1, you get Superman, a beast in the tech world. Month 2, you add a healer, a giant in healthcare. Month 3, then you draft a Defender, a classic brand that everyone buys no matter what. See? After just a few months, you don't own one stock. You own a league of incredible companies. Your portfolio is now a fortress, way safer than relying on just one hero. Step 4. Put it on autopilot. The secret to winning any long-term game is just showing up. And the easiest way to never miss a day? Automate it. It's like setting a reminder for your daily login bonus in a video game. Set up an automatic transfer for $100 from your bank to your brokerage account right at the start of the month. The money just shows up, ready for battle. This makes investing a reflex, not a choice. And that's literally it. That's the entire game plan. It's not rocket science, is it? Automatically fund the account, pick one new champion for your team each month, and just build your empire over time. Listen, the biggest mistake you can make is waiting. Starting now and being consistent will crush trying to find the perfect stock or waiting for the perfect day. You don't need a PhD from Harvard to build wealth. You just need a plan and the guts to stick with it. If this was helpful and you want more simple cheat codes for winning with money, smash that like button and subscribe right now. I want to hear what you think of this down in the comments. This is Growth Minded. Thanks for watching. Let's keep building together.